Hey game devs, it's Vidya. Welcome to Godot for C# tutorial number 7. How did Vidya figure out the C# stuff so fast? Alright, let's do a little situation exercise. You've come from a background using Unity for the last 5 years or more. Imagine that you have been tasked to provide information and tutorials for your coworkers about how to use Godot and C# as a scripting language. So you set off on your way looking up tutorials, but the majority of them are written in GDScript. When trying to write an equivalent script in C#, you keep on having difficulty accessing some of the methods that are just given in GDScript. For example, changing the audio volume using a float from 0 to 1 in GDScript is just LinearToDb. But C#, it's Mathf.LinearToDb. What's up with that? In this tutorial, I will reveal my secrets about how I am so quickly learning Godot and doing it in C#. It may feel like C# has forsaken you until you realize one thing, Vidya's secret. You need to read the manual. Particularly, I found it very helpful to read through cross-language scripting and C# API differences to GDScript. So what I'd like to do now is just look at the two documents that I've provided hyperlinks to in the YouTube description and just quickly go over them together with you. The first one is cross-language scripting. Godot lets you mix and match scripting languages to suit your needs, whatever you want to do. Honestly, that's not acceptable. Of course, we're going to be doing them all in C#. But this document shows you how to go from GDScript. It shows you a very simple GDScript code, and it gives you an example of what the C# code looks like, and they're equivalent. They're pretty much doing the same thing, just one's in GDScript and the other one's in C#. And you can just go ahead and scroll on down and learn about instantiating nodes. They got excellent example of how to instantiate the node in GDScript, and then a little bit further down, they show you how to instantiate the node in C#. You're going to say, in this particular thing, instantiating a C# script here, you're going to do GDScript, my GDScript load, and you're going to open up an object and create it as a new, and that's going to make you a new Godot object in this particular example. They show you how to access fields. They show you how to call methods. So go ahead and read through the cross-language scripting. The second link I provided to you is the C# API differences to GDScript. And this document alone has really helped me overcome figuring out how to watch video tutorials that are written in GDScript and making them available in C#. They go ahead and talk about how global functions and constants had to be moved to classes and all sorts of other situations. That's all well and good. Go ahead and read through the entire document if you can. And the most important part of this document is the full list of the GDScript global scope functions and their equivalent in C#. So for example, I said that we did LinearToDb. So let's go on here and we have our GDScript LinearToDb, and right here is where it is, Mathf.LinearToDb. And the nice thing about a lot of these C# methods is that they take the same type of arguments that the GDScript methods do. So just the whole overcoming GDScript and coming into C# and whatever, this is going to really help you overcome the hurdle. Another one in GDScript, to print out to the output console, you can just type print. In C#, you're going to type in gd.print because you got to specify your object that you're going to send it to. And then the next thing that I would highly recommend is on the link that I gave in YouTube with the C# differences, it also gives you links to basics, to features, to collections, to variant, signals, exports, global classes. One thing that is particularly interesting is the variant it allows you to take the Godot variant, which is just a magical field that comes from GDScript that can be of any type, and converting it to be used in C#. So definitely take a look at that. That can give you a lot of power if you want to, if for some reason you want to continue to do GDScript with C#, but it's really not necessary, because once you have this information to go from GDScript to C#, you don't need GDScript anymore. So with that said, that is my secret. Read the manual, and as always, keep on making those games.